Hi beauty babes and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review, so we'll be doing swatches, and up close, personal, and also an eye look on the Reloaded Red Alert palette. So let me just open this up so that you can see it without being blinded by my ring light. As you can see, they are beautiful colours in here. We have lots of lovely pinks and purpley colours and like a real warm palette with a couple of cools chucked in just for good measure. And when I say cools, I mean like the white and the purple. It's a bit cool, isn't it? So, do you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm going to do a look for you, and I'm also going to do a close-up, and I'll see you right back in a minute. Okay, so I'm going to set my lids. I'm going to be using my MAC paint pot because that is what I do recently, because I love this stuff. And again, I'm going to say, Caroline, you got me wearing this, miss. I actually got this from Look Fantastic and it was £16.50. I'm quite chuffed. Very good price. Okay, so I've got my base on. It's all about the base, all about the base. Now, I'm going to go over my lid with this white here. And I'm going to go in all over, just so that I've got a really good base to set the colour on. Excuse the little pink dot on my brush. I've literally just done that. Do the whole eyes. So as you can see, this white, snow white colour is not coming off as pure white on my lid, but that's fine. That's fine. I'm going to go in with this beautiful greyish colour here. Put that on my brush, and this is a Morphe brush I'm using. This is the Morphe Y17. So just pop that in there, in the crease. See how we get on. It's okay, it's not overly pigmented. I'm going to try a different brush. I'm going to go for my Old Faithful, my Lamora. See how we get on. Oh, it's a bit better, isn't it? That'd be a bit better, doesn't it? You definitely have to build this colour up. Okie dokie. And then I'm going to go over the top, because I am an over the top sort of person. Right, okay, I'm going to go in with this sort of like, it's like a very pale burnt orange colour. Oh hey, there she is. Let's blend that through. Okay, she's pigmented. She's pigmented. Okay guys, I would say if you're going to use this, just definitely tap your brush off, because she goes everywhere. She goes everywhere. Very pigmented. very pigmented. So I'm just gonna use that white, that Snow White again now, just to calm that down under my brow. Looks as a really good highlight, that does actually. I don't know if you can see how that's highlighted under my brow, but it does look really good. Really quite impressed with that colour actually. We're going over the top with, I'm going to go with this colour here, just in the outer corner, the outer V, just to deepen her up a bit. This colour, I'm not gonna do loads and loads and loads of shimmer on today. I'm just going to put a little bit of shimmer. So I'm just going to use this sort of, it's almost like a rosy gold colour. See how she gets on. I'm just going to put that all over the lid. Okay, the brush isn't cutting it. I'm just going to use my finger. Okay, that doesn't really want to work. Okay, it's not the best in the world, but the colour's pretty. The colour's really pretty. I'm just struggling a little bit with, yeah, so we need to blend that in the lid, just that isn't a harsh line. And I'm going to take this colour here. I'm going to run that just above, because it is a similar shade, so I think that's a good colour to basically marry them together. And yeah, that has worked. I'm just going to go in over the top again with that shimmer. It's almost like a wet formula. But it's hard panned already, look. Got to say, I'm not overly impressed with the new reloaded formulas. So we'll just go under the eye now. I'm going to do a pop of colour under the eye. So I'm going to use this. Pink. I'll just go under the eye with that. A little bit of fallout, not a lot. Get that out. And then just to do my inner corners, just to highlight my inner corners, I'm going to use this little sort of, it's almost like a shell pink colour. So just how we get on. Okay, so I need to go and finish my eyes off with mascara and everything. But before I do that, I'm just going to give you the details on this. It's cruelty-free. It's been endorsed by PETA. There's 12-month shelf life on this. It's recycled packaging, but it's also recyclable, so that's a good thing. You've got 15 pans in this. So net weight is 15 times 0.04 ounces, which equates to 1.1 gram each. So you're basically getting about 16 gram of product in there, which isn't too bad for £4. Can't complain at £4. I'm going to do the swatches now while I just disappear off and put my mascara and eyeliner on. Okay, so I'm done now, and you're probably wondering what I've got in my hair. It's because in between me doing my mascara and eyeliner, I had to nip and get safe from school, and it is absolutely chucking it down outside. And I mean, absolutely chucking it down. So I've just put a bandana on my head because just to soak up a bit of the water. I'm going to come in now so that you can have a better look of my eyes. So am I impressed? I don't know if I'm honest. I mean, I've only really tried out like a few of the colours, but I just feel like the shimmers just are so powdery, and they just hard pan so easy. They swatch nice, and they're chunky, which is fine, but you need to get them on your eyelid. That's the whole point. So, I don't know, jury's out. I like the look that I've created. It was just very, very hard work getting that shimmer to lay down on my eye, as you saw. So, it's really, really difficult to say one way or the other. I think I really need to give it another go and do another eye look before I can really pass judgment. But at least you've got to see it. At least you've got to see how it is and whether you think it's worth the £4, which I'm pretty sure anybody that buys makeup will think it is worth the £4, because, you know, to a lot of people £4 isn't a lot of money, but if it's like all you've got to spend on makeup and you need to get a decent palette, I really wouldn't say that this is the palette to get. Oh, that label keeps sticking out of my... doing my head in. He's doing my head in. Anyway, I was going to ask you guys, I've got in the community section asking everybody to leave questions for me because I want to do a Q&A. So if you can go over to the community side of YouTube on my channel and just ask me a question, or if you can't find it, pop the question down below because I want to do a proper Q&A, and I just thought it'd be really good to do for you guys. Yeah, and also if there's any sort of videos that you'd like me to do, they don't have to be just about showing you a makeup item. They can be my top 5s, they can be what my favourite is, it could be my ride or dies, it could be something completely different. If you'd like to see something different from me, then please just tell me, because I would love to do something different for you guys. So anyway, beauty babes, I will see you later. Thank you very much for joining me on this little journey today. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell, because in that way you will be let known of every time I put a video up. Give us a thumbs up, because that always helps. So give us a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. So beauty babes, have a beautiful day. Mwah. See you later now. Ta-ra for now. Bye.